Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Skype problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Skype problem, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will enter to the window of Skype. Then in this list of app and info we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to your airplane mode to turn on, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.